Hi guys, and welcome to the Family Fudge. Today I'm so excited to be unboxing this Bookshark homeschool curriculum. They sent it to me to review and I can't wait to show you all the awesome stuff that they sent. So stay tuned. Now some of these items are going to be for my kindergartner while others are going to be for my third grader. So I'll go ahead and just show you exactly what came in this box. And if you want to check out Bookshark, I will link their website down below. Definitely check them out if you're looking for great homeschool resources. Okay guys, so I just unloaded that entire box and I tried to separate out the different grade levels. On the top of the box, I came across this really nice canvas tote from Bookshark, which will be great to go to and from the library and things like that. They also included this instructor's manual binder, so I can keep all of my manuals and papers in here. And this guy is huge. This can hold a lot of stuff. Okay guys, so for kindergarten, here's what I have for history and geography. First off, I have the instructor's manual for the Into the World cultures. Next up, I have the Usborne Children's Encyclopedia, and this one's actually linked. You can find more information on the internet. And then this is really cool. This is the History for Kindergarten timeline figures. And these little figures will go into this big timeline book. And I actually got one of these for kindergarten, but also one for third grade. So all of the kids will share one timeline book, and depending on who they're learning about and when, we can add it to our timeline. This also included a Create a Calendar, which is really cool. It has all of these different stickers. I know the kids are gonna love that. Now I'm going to be using this for mostly my kindergartner, but I do have a preschooler, so I'm hoping that she will tag along for most of these things. Certainly the read alouds she will be there for, so hopefully she'll be absorbing it as well. Next we have the Story of Exploration, Out of Darkness, and the Usborne book of Living Long Ago. So that's everything that came in the history and geography package. And next up, I have all of the read alouds that come with the kindergarten curriculum, and there are a lot of them. But that's actually something that I really like about Bookshark. It's very literature based, and all of my kids love to read, so I'm excited about these books. First, I have The Llama Who Had No Pajama, the Arnold Noble Book of Mother Goose. Oh, we also have the Language Arts Instructor Guide, and this is going to go in that big binder that I already showed you. And then I have Here's a Penny, Dolphin Treasure, Dr. Dolittle. Now, a lot of these books we have not read before, so I'm super excited. A few of them that we have read before, but that's okay. We have The House at Pooh Corner. I know my kids are going to love this one. Another classic, Beezus and Ramona. Love this one, My Father's Dragon. This one as well, The 100 Dresses, 20 and 10, A Grain of Rice, No Children, No Pets, The Light at Turn Rock, and Richard Scarry's Please and Thank You book. And then I almost forgot two more. We have the Boxcar Children and the Treasury for Children. Now for the kindergarten level, I also have a set of easy readers. Now this box comes with a lot of these little books that are really easy for beginners. I know my son's gonna love those. Now in the language arts category, I also have these alphabet bingo cards. So that should be a fun game. And the bingo markers come with it. And I also have the Go A to Z. So this looks like a sort of Go Fish type game. So lots of fun activities are included in this curriculum. And then also for language arts, we have the My First Picture Dictionary book. Very cool. Now moving on to kindergarten science, I see a lot of fun things here. First off, we have a little science kit. Now in the kit, you're going to get all of the materials that you're going to need for your science experiments. And these science experiments you can do step by step with this DVD. This is the Inquisikids Discover and Do Level K. So they're going to be doing science with air, science in the kitchen, and I really like that it's on a DVD. That way it helps me out with lesson planning. Also for science, I have the instructor's guide. This is for biology, botany, and physics. We also have the Laws of Motion book, a book about weather, how flowers grow, dolphin adventure. Uh-oh, you guys, this one was supposed to be with the literature. So yes, this is actually a reader, not a science book. Whoopsie. This is the Usborne Book of Wild Places. And then we also have the Usborne Book of Science Activities, Volume 2. This looks really interesting. My kids are gonna love it. Now also with our kindergarten curriculum, we have a world map on one side and the United States map on the other. And it comes with these dry erase markers. You can totally write on here and then wipe it off. Now this is everything that they sent to me for our kindergarten curriculum. Now if you wanted to, you could also buy your handwriting curriculum from Bookshark and your math. They have several different ones available that are awesome. I'm a huge fan of Handwriting Without Tears and Math UC. Okay, so now on to my third grader. I was sent the history and geography package as well as the read alouds and the level 3 readers, which I know she's gonna love. She's such a good reader. So first I'm gonna show you the history and geography kind of grouped together. First off, we have the Lewis and Clark Expedition, Pedro's Journal, Pocahontas and the Strangers, Squanto, Friend of the Pilgrims, North American Indians. So you can kind of already tell what third grade history is going to be about. We have Meet George Washington, Meet Thomas Jefferson, The Beginner's Guide to American History, If You Were There When They Signed the Constitution, The Landmark History of the American People, and this huge guide. This is the Smithsonian Children's Encyclopedia of American History, and this is very hefty. And finally, I have the Intro to American History Instructor's Guide for Level 3. And now on to third grade language arts. And just like kindergarten, when it comes to Bookshark, it's very literature based, which I'm a huge fan of. So here I have the read aloud, so books that we can all read together. First I have Walk the World's Rim, Carry On Mr. Bowditch, The Sign of the Beaver, Johnny Tremaine, which we've actually read, such a good book, Winter Danger, and then this is really awesome. This is A Child's Instruction to Poetry, and it comes with a disc, so that'll be great. We also have Swift Rivers, The Witch of Blackbird Pond, and as you guys can probably tell, you know, with almost all of these books, we have award-winning books here that are very, very well recommended. This one is Justin Morgan Had a Horse, Tolliver's Secret, and I'm probably not going to say this one right, Om Cousteau. Obviously, I have not read this book, so it'll be interesting to find out what it's about. And then we have The Secret of the Sealed Room. And this is a mystery of young Benjamin Franklin. And then also with our language arts, we have some level 3 books that my student should be able to read on her own. First we have Phoebe the Spy, The Cabin Faced West, The Courage of Sarah Noble, The Matchlock Gun, Robert Fulton, The Bears on Hemlock Mountain, Sarah Plain and Tall, which we totally read last year and we loved it. I'm sure my daughter will want to read it again. And then we have A Lion to Guard Us. Now this is everything that Bookshark sent us for our third grader, and let me just say, there are some awesome books here. I'm super excited to get started. Now definitely, if you wanted to, you could also purchase the handwriting curriculum, the math curriculum, and the science curriculum. You just have to go to the Bookshark website and check it out. Okay guys, there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. I know that there are so many choices when it comes to homeschool products, so definitely check out Bookshark. I will link them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.